welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a review on a dog leash, and if you are interested in seeing this, if you have a puppy, a kitty, anything that you would need a leash for, husband, boyfriend, whatever, stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to do a review on a dog leash. It's a retractable leash. It's really cool. I was in the market for a 25 footer and I actually found a 26 foot. I think that's what they come in, 26, 28. I usually have a 16 inch. That's pretty much the standard, but I need something a little long for her so she can, really run. And then when I have her leash on my hand, if I haven't, itched to wipe away sweat or anything, I almost got my hand taken off, by her. So I decided to give her a little bit more room to run, because usually walk her down the alley and stuff, and she's really good with standing on the sidewalk and things. So anyway, I got her this guy. And I thought it was like super, super cool. Obviously it has her name on both sides. And it is 26 feet, I believe. And I got this from a company called uDesign, which is pretty cool. These aren't no cheap little stickers that, cheap little white stickers on there. This is actually, you can see, one whole thing here. It says this one. That's what I was expecting. Like those cheap little arts and crafts stickers that you just put on here. Nope. It's not that. And you can get any color you want with anything you want written on here, basically. Anything at all. Yeah, it's really cool. And it's right back up. It's pretty nice. Now I've like unraveled it all the way around my arm and then just let it go and it right back up in. Doesn't tangle. So far so good. The little stopper is actually kind of neat because if you say you're walking your dog, and you just want to pull her back away from something, you don't want to lock it. You just want to pull her back. You can just push this down, watch, and let go. Or you can push it forward and it stays locked. And then, of course, unlock it. So it's really cool. It has like an immediate stop, to stop it. In that case, you just want to let her keep going, just to give her a little pull backwards. She's sitting over there staring at me like, Mommy, what are you doing with my leash? But, yeah, this is, like, pretty cool. But, I have a video here for you to see, how it looks and how it works. So, just check it out. Who's ready for a bye-bye? You want to go bye-bye? We're going to use your new leash. Oops, upside down. Ready for a bye-bye? What do you think of that? Oh yeah. Bye-bye. So it's working pretty cool. And it's super nice. You can see it here outside in the light. And it's on both sides, her name. I believe this was $15.27. Free shipping. And the lock works really good. See? Easy to unlock. And it gives her lots more room. See, and I can stop it just like that. You can actually stop, push it down and hold it, or you can push it all the way up to completely stop it. Unless you just want to hold it down for the time being. Like temporary hold. Again, excuse the noise. So she is really liking this. She's peeing. Come on, Bub. Come on. And this is so nice because now whenever I itch my eye or push my glasses up, my freaking hand doesn't get ripped away from my face because there's so much extra leeway on here, as you can see. There we go. That dog wants to play. No, Bub. No. And the quick lock on here worked pretty good for that. But okay, guys, so that's it for this. Okay, guys, as you can see, there was lots of different things going on. So you could see, you know, how I needed to use the stop button and whatnot. It's pretty nice. I mean, I really like it. It's really sturdy. I've dropped it a few times already. Yeah, the company is called uDesign. It's customized pet products. Now, the cool thing about this company is they make dog tags, they make these leashes, they make all kinds of things. You can check them out on Instagram. It's at Instapettags. I'll have it linked down below. And also they have a website. It's www.instapettags.com. They are a pretty cool, and the shipping was really fast. I'm not sponsored by them. They did not give me this for free. I actually paid $15.27 for this. This was not free. Yeah, so I just want to get on here and tell you guys like how cool this is. But here's the information if you want to screenshot that. But yeah, I'll have their information linked in the description below. But definitely check these guys out. I'll try to have them up here in the cards. I don't think I can have them in the cards, but I will try and see if it lets me put another thing up there. But alright, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you're not subscribed, please do, and I will see you guys next time.